Are you ready to meet a car that's basically a race car with license plate on it? Say hi to all new Audi RS3 2023 model. We will talk about all its powered packed features that's hotter than a summer day, its powertrain, its practicality, and I will also tell you that does it have more power than VW Golf R? For that, watch the video till the end. Welcome to another review. Audi RS3 is high-performance, compact luxury car known for its sporty and performance attributes. This RS3 competes with cars like BMW M2, Mercedes-Benz A45 AMG, and Golf R. Let's start with drivetrain first. RS3 comes with 2.5 TFSI turbocharged 5-cylinder petrol engine with power output of 294 kilowatt and 500 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 km per hour in only 3.8 seconds. It has fuel consumption of 8.3 liter per 100 km to 11.2 per 100 km. Depends how you drive. It has top claim speed of 250 km per hour. This engine is paired with 7-speed dual clutch S-tronic transmission, very quick and crispy while changing gears. This engine is one of the best engines that Audi produced. Absolutely powerhouse. Everything about it, it's cool. It has great sound and stack of punch. Let's have a look at the exterior design. So you get this Audi RS3 in 8 different colors. The weight of this car is 1645 kgs. Let's have a look at the front. You get big, bulky, sporty design, matte black grille with RS logo on it, new design matrix LED headlamps with daytime running lights and sequence LED turn indicator. One of the amazing features on this car is these headlights start sequence when you unlock the car. This little thing on the side here is 8-bit graphic and comes with only RS3. It looks pretty cool. Front camera built under the Audi emblem. Moving to the side, you get 19-inch alloy wheels, black finish on them. Talk about the brakes, you get 375mm rotor 6-piston red brake calipers, nice and good looking under the wheels. These brakes are so sharp, they can turn the racetrack into dance floor. The fenders are a bit flared in the front, which adds a bulkiness on this car. I think that's the reason the front tires are bigger than the rear tires. Matte black side mirrors with built-in cameras for 360 view and LED indicator on them. Black side skirts below the doors. You get privacy glass on the rear doors. Moving to the back, you get LED tail lamps with sequence turn indicator. And I like the amazing sequence of these tail lamps when you unlock the car. They look amazing. You get chrome Audi badge, RS badge are down at the bottom. Rear bumper with honeycomb design effect, dual exhaust pipes on this RS3 with black bumper spoiler at the bottom. Big size sunroof you get on top of the roof, and you get shark fin antenna as well. I like the sunroof of this RS3. It looks cool, guys. So this is the key of this RS3. You get lock, unlock and button to open the boot, and RS logo on the other side. Have a look inside this Audi RS3. RS3's interior is known for its sporty and premium design. High quality material used in this car. Audi has done its level best. Sporty design leather seats with honeycomb red stitching and RS logo on them. Front seats are 8-way electrically adjustable. Leather wrapped steering wheel with pedal shifters and RS logo on it. 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster which can be controlled from controls given on the steering wheel. You can switch couple of different views and change the menus in the center. These door panels are looking good as well. They are different from previous model RS3. In infotainment system, you get 11.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with AM, FM, DAB, digital radio, and you also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is connected to 15-speaker Bang Olufsen branded sound system. Start-stop button with red ring on it. Very small but stylish gear controller. Looks nice though. Let's see how safe this Audi RS3 is. Talk about the safety features. You get AEB with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring system built in the side mirrors, 360 view cameras, front and rear parking sensors, lane keep assistance, lane departure warning, lane centering, radar cruise control, and multiple airbags. In practicality, you get 2 USB-C charging port, wireless phone charging, 12-volt charging outlet as well, 2 cup holders in the middle and cup holders on the side. Pretty small center console storage, but glove box storage is quite good. So you have dual zone automatic climate control with heated seats with massaging function. They can give you massage too if your wife don't want to. The seats on this car are good looking and very comfortable. Moving to back seats, these seats are similar design as front seats. You get 2 air vents at the back with 12-volt charging outlet, center armrest with 2 cup holders in it. Legroom, toe room and headroom is good on this car. Good looking inner door handles here. Moving to the boot, this boot is power lifted, which can be opened with a key or by sliding your feet under rear bumper. It has a boot capacity of 282 liters, 12-volt charging outlet in here. Battery sits under here in the boot with safety kit. Okay, let's talk about the price. This RS3 without any extras will cost you 1,246,600 rand. Talk about packages that this car can come with. Black appearance package plus will cost you 7,000 rand. Aluminium package will cost you 15,500 rand. RS styling will cost you 12,800 rand. RS styling plus will cost you 16,500 rand. This Audi comes with optional 5 years 100,000 warranty and Audi's freeway maintenance plan. And let's come back to our question I have asked you in the starting of the video. Is VW Golf R more powerful than RS3? The answer is yes. VW Golf R comes with 315 horsepower engine, which is about 21 horsepower more than RS3. And remember, choosing a car is a bit like dating. Find the one that gives you butterflies in your stomach and smile on your face every time you hit gas. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Special thanks to Audi Center Margate for their support. Stay tuned. Catch you in the next video.